Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You are here for the job interview?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what's your name?
I'm Emmanuel Precious.
Emmanuel Precious. What's your name?
Emmanuel Precious. Sorry. Sabinus. Sorry, sir.
Sabinus. Okay, where did you school?
School. Yeah, I schooled at Uniport.
Oh, Uniport. That's
Yes.
University of Port Harcourt?
No, Uniport.
Is that not University of Port Harcourt?
No, it's different. Uniport, the one in Choba. University of Port Harcourt is the one in Port Harcourt. Like, it's far from Uniport.
Okay, never mind. Do you have your application letter?
Application letter.
Yes, application letter. Something like this.
Application. You don't hear what it talk.
Application letter.
Application letter for paper. Application, Instagram, Facebook. Now they ask you.
Jeez, that's not what he meant.
What did he meant? He? Application. What are applications? Applications are files.
Ask him, sorry. Ask him.
Are you sure you're here for the job?
Yes, sir. The application I have is in my phone. I don't know. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
Application letter for the job. A written application letter.
Okay, written. Should I write that for me?
No, you write it yourself.
You didn't come with any?
Actually, they were supposed to be here, but where I came from is very far. So I branched to watch ball, Manchester United match. Since Manchester started misbehaving, sir, my life has been upside down. So it is affecting me. Sir, a minute, sir.
I showed you earlier.
Okay, now this one.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, sir, you write for me now the application letter.
hold on.
Maybe you go write that.
So I will give you a paper
Okay, sir.
to write down your application letter.
Okay, sir.
Every other person has written their own.
Okay. Oh, sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'll give you 2 minutes
Okay, sir.
to finish up.
Thank you, sir.
I'll join you later.
Okay, sir.
Maybe you can just have a glimpse of my own. So it will...
What do you take me for?
How?
What is you can just look for my own? I tell you, sir, I won't pay for this interview. Madam, don't do that.
I'm just trying to...
You're just doing what?
Jeez.
I'm avoiding failure. Please, don't do it.
I'm so sorry, sir.
When you don't frustrate, look for job, you tire. You won't come make I follow you for this job. Please, I know what I'm doing here.
I'm sorry.
The sorry you're telling me is paining me. Don't tell me sorry again. I should copy you. How does she look at me?
What are you trying to do?
I'll find you. You know the year say people application they are the ones who don't get job. They are don't.
He's coming. Welcome back, sir.
Thank you. I am sure you're ready.
Yes, sir.
So can I have yours?
Okay, sir. So sorry.
Wow, that's awesome.
Thank you, sir.
So you've not seen my own. Oh. My own is more awesome.
Really?
I'm awesome also.
Okay. Can I have yours?
Sure. Mine is an epitome of epic.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
wow.
So you're not smiling. I hope you're not feeling threatened. I'm not taking your position. Don't be afraid.
You wrote this?
Yes, sir. Awesome. Epic. Epic.
This is interesting.
Modern.
All right, read what you wrote.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Allow. Listen now. Okay, in bracket, Dixon Nigeria Limited. Good afternoon, Mr. Stephen. I, Emmanuel Ejeko Chukwuemeka, wish to thank you for the services rendered to me. I wish to say thank you very much. God bless you to the company. As I resign from this
photo, not be juju be that.
resign. I never even start work, I don't resign.
Thank you for your services. We appreciate you.
God bless you.
You wrote your resignation letter by yourself.
No, sir, I came for employment. How come resign? Sorry, sir, it's a mistake. Can I copy your own, please?
Sorry, you said I was a failure.
Oh, I forgot.
You want to copy application letter from someone else?
Oh, I forgot your ear. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Hey,
Well, once again, thank you for your services.
God. Yes, sir, let me a second chance, sir.
I'm sorry. There is no second chance. We are so happy that you've served us well and you want to resign.
Sorry, sir.
Please, you may take your leave.
Help me, beg you. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How is the family, sir?
Your family is there, waiting for you with your resignation letter.
Sorry, sir.
Can you please go?
There are things like this. They make me cry suddenly. I don't know. Can I cry?
No. Don't cry here.
Oh, sir.
You don't cry here. Please leave.